Yo, welcome back to my channel. It's Elissa, like in the flesh. So today's video is going to be about how to make a thumbnail for beginners. I know that a lot of people are starting their YouTube channels because of quarantine. There's nothing else to do, so you might as well take your time and be productive with it. So why not start a YouTube channel, if it's, especially if it's something you always wanted to do? Like, I don't see why not. So here is one step to getting closer to uploading videos and being successful with it. You always want to have like a good thumbnail that'll catch people's eye. So here is a video on how to make it, and this is very simple. This is very easy. I even YouTubed how to make thumbnails when I was starting out. I've been on YouTube for almost a year now, not consistently, and I know if I was consistent with YouTube since last year, I would have gotten farther than where I am now. But that's the thing, like, you have to be consistent, but that can be like a whole nother video if you guys want. But yeah, there is an option when you're uploading your video. YouTube will give you automatically like 3 pictures to choose from for your thumbnail, and if you don't like those, like how I didn't like them, they always had me looking crusty. There was always like one little freeze frame part of my video that I was looking crusty, and they want to be like, oh, here, your thumbnail. Like, no, I'm not trying to look crusty. But so I just stopped wanting to pick from those 3, and I was like, I need to know how to make a thumbnail. So we're gonna get straight into the video. I'm gonna stop talking and I'm gonna show you guys how to make a thumbnail. Very simple, very easy. This is gonna be a voiceover. The next part's gonna be a voiceover because I am using my phone to record. And if you guys want a video on how I record my videos and stuff like that, I'll make that soon. But leave in the comments if you would like that, and then I'll just like do it. But let's just get into the video. Okay, so first thing you're gonna want to do is download the Fonto app. This is a great app for beginners. And then you want to go to plain image, click on the white or black. It really doesn't matter because the background's not going to be seen. You're going to want to go into the custom dimensions for the image, and it's 1280 by 720. You're going to press use, and then you're going to click the three lines on the left, the bottom left, and pick your pictures that you want as your thumbnail. I put mine in my favorites, so it's just easier to find. And then you're gonna want to adjust it. They have size, height, width. So you're just gonna want to adjust this and make it match up so that you can't see the background anymore. So make sure you cannot see the background while you're adjusting your pictures, because you want your pictures to fill up the whole thing. Okay, so with this whole process of adjusting the pictures, you just want to take your time and make sure everything is lined up and that it all just looks good. So next you're going to want to click around the picture, anywhere else around it, and then click add text and put in your title. I'm just going to show you guys the fonts right now. There's so many options that you can pick from. So the font that I've been going with lately is the permanent marker one. So I'm just gonna align that font in the center, and then I'm just gonna show you guys the symbols and stuff that they have if you want to be a little extra. And then there's also a setting where you could put the date in. I don't know if you want to do that, but I'm just going to move the title to the center of my thumbnail. Then I'm going into style, and I'm going to keep the text white, but I'm going to go into stroke, and then at the bottom you can adjust the outline of it, and there's so many different colors that you could pick from. So I just like a little bold, and I don't do a background, but I'm just showing you guys there's a background, and you can make the text smaller or bigger if you want. Shout out to my friend for texting me. So I'm just gonna do that and size it, make it bigger in the picture if I wanted to. You could turn it upside down. I'm just showing you guys a bunch of different things that you could do with this app. And lastly, you're going to click at the bottom right, that little icon right there, and save your image. And there you go. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope it wasn't too hard to understand and it was just like very easy breezy. And if you guys decide on going with like my way of making a thumbnail, because I know there's many other apps, many other ways to do a thumbnail, then if you decide to follow what I do, please let me know in the comments, because I like when people take my advice. Like, I like to hear people taking my advice and stuff like that. So thank you guys for watching. If you have any more questions, leave them below as well. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe, and turn on the bell notification, the bell post notification, so you guys know when I'm uploading. I upload every 4 days, but it might be 5, it might be 3, it might be 2. Like, I'm trying to stick to 4 days, but I have so many videos coming for you guys, so stay tuned. Bye.